Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and today we'll talk about 7 home remedies to cure cough and cold in winters. Colds, flus and other respiratory illnesses are more common in colder months. People are indoors more often, allowing viruses to pass more easily from one person to another, and the cold, dry air may weaken resistance. Cold, cough, congestion, flu is very common as winter sets in and temperatures dip. Here are some home remedies that can bring you comfort if you are suffering from flu in cold months. Winter means going on good food and yummy desserts, going on trips and curling up under the blankets with a good book. But as the temperature dips and the air turns chilly, it also means lots of health issues, especially cough, cold, congestion, and flu. While it's essential to take a doctor's advice. So, here are some home remedies that can help you tackle the niggling ailments of winter months. Number 1 is salt water gargle. Have you been suffering from a dry cough leading to an itchy sour throat? Salt water gargling is known to work wonders. It helps counter upper respiratory infections too and manage cold and flus. Take warm water, mix half a tablespoon of salt and gargle for around 5 minutes. Number 2 is turmeric. Turmeric is the rescue. For ages, India has relied on turmeric to tackle niggle ailments. Turmeric contains a substance called curcumin, which is possibly anti-inflammatory and has antiviral and antibacterial properties. Warm turmeric milk is good for dry cough, cold and congestion. Have twice a day for best result. You can also add adrak, that is ginger, to your haldi doodh. Number 3 is peppermint tea or warm water. Peppermint leaves added in warm water or hot tea can give you relief from cold and cough. You can also use peppermint oil or take steam using peppermint leaf infused water. Number 4 is consume ginger. Ginger has long been used as a home remedy for colds and flu. Different dishes and beverages can benefit from the addition of fresh ginger juice or grated fresh ginger. Whether you are having a cup of ginger tea or consuming a small slice with honey, ginger can be wonderful for winters. Number 5 is chicken soup. Several studies have shown that chicken soup can reduce inflammation and congestion in the respiratory tract. However, do not go for canned soup but prepare it at home for best results. Chicken is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and fiber, and along with the vegetables, herbs, and spices like ginger, garlic, cloves, peppercorns, and cinnamon. It used to prepare the soup. It can be your best friend in winters, especially when you have a cough or cold. Number 6 is have honey. Honey soothes your sore throat, giving you instant relief. It suppresses cough, but make sure to invest in good organic honey and have it with warm water or tea. Last but not the least, number 7 is eat vitamin C rich veggies and fruits. Vitamin C is known to shield you against viruses that cause colds and coughs by boosting one's immune system. Oranges, amla, and lemon are some of the items rich in vitamin C.